Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Michelle. I create beauty content each and every week. So if you enjoy these kind of videos, please make sure you give this one a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date with all my weekly uploads. And it is that time of year again. I am decluttering all my makeup. So how I like to do it, I like to break it up into little series. So one week will be lipstick, one week will be foundation, one week will be blushes, bronzers, all that jazz. I just like to go through my makeup, especially since I'm constantly getting new makeup, and just seeing what I'm using, what I'm not using, what expired. I'm pretty bad at that. And just decluttering, getting rid of things, cleaning out with the warehouse. So today we're starting with lipsticks. This is my lipstick bin. This might be a lot of lipsticks for some people. This might be not enough lipsticks for some people. For me, it is utterly too much. I don't even use half of these. And some of these are really old, okay? Some of these are really old. I hate to admit that, but unfortunately makeup does expire, so you do have to clean it out. I'm gonna start off with the lipsticks that stand out the most to me, and that is these two. So obviously they're both hot pink, very, very hot pink. This one is a Milani one, and then this is Maybelline. This is the Vivid Hot Lacquer, and this is Milani's Blossom. This is just like their normal lipstick. This formula is absolutely beautiful. This, on the other hand, not so much. I did pick it up at the Dollar Tree and it is really good. It's pretty good. It's not really good, but it's pretty good. I did love it when I first tried it. But after trying this stays on all day long. Do not have to worry about it. It really doesn't budge much. It doesn't say it's long lasting, but it's pretty long lasting. So I don't necessarily need two of the same color, so I am going to keep the Milani and throw out this one. Don't have that many glosses. I mean, I don't think so, but the two that I am definitely going to keep are these two. These are the NYX Butter Glosses. There's a reason why you've always heard people rave and rave about them, because they're just so beautiful on the lips. I have the color Madeline and Tiramisu. 100% keeping these. And then the Essence Shine Shine Shine. This was initially a clear gloss, but since I just throw it on every single lipstick, it is kind of fading, but it's not old. It's just because I use it so often over my lipsticks. So I am definitely going to be keeping this. It gives your lips like nice, juicy looking lips. So need that. All right, now this one was a Believe Beauty lip gloss, and I did pick it up from the Dollar Tree. It's just very sticky, and it's a little bit too sticky for me, and it's not something that I gravitate towards. So I am going to be letting this one go. And then these two I picked up from Five Below. They're the Wet n Wild lip gloss and Mega Slicks, and I have the shades Nude Mood and Call Me Boss. And I actually really like the both of these. This is a really good formula, very glossy, very beautiful on the lips. And this one right here without the shimmer in it, it's actually very pigmented and looks good on its own. So I am going to be keeping these because I do really enjoy them. Next up, I have the LA Colors Jelly Lip Gloss. This I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I honestly don't gravitate towards it just because I have the Shine 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 one from Essence, and I really like that one. However, I'm not ready to give this up. I just purchased this recently, well, within the year, so I still want to keep using this. It does have a tint to it, but doesn't show up too much, so I am going to keep this for now. Right now, we're going to go through our lip pencils. Okay, so starting off with this e.l.f. Triangle Lip Filler. Honestly, it's pretty good. It is. It's a little bit drying. I do need to moisturize my lips after. Actually, it's not that drying. But it is a beautiful color, and it's pretty new. I bought it within the year, so I will be keeping this. Then I have the ColourPop Lippy Pencil. This is in the shade BFF3, so it's like a brown, very dark brown. And then I also have Yuma Beauty in the shade Davis, and these two are like a dupe for each other. Honestly, if you want a cheaper version, get the ColourPop. The Yuma Beauty is really good, but again, it's pretty expensive. It's not drugstore. The only thing about the ColourPop Lippy pencils is, do you see that? They come out so much and then you push it back in. That is the one thing that annoys me about the ColourPop Lippy pencils. Other than that, they're really good, very creamy, great formula, but just that little thing that just kind of ticks me off. But I'm keeping both of them. And then I have another ColourPop Lippy pencil. This is in just the shade BFF. This is like a more like nude color. I know this is like the perfect nude for me and my skin type, my lips. It looks beautiful. It's nice and creamy. Again, same issue. The thing pops out. But other than that, I'm keeping this. This is riding with me till it's down to here. Okay, then I have 2 wooden pencils. And there's a reason why I do not like wooden pencils. It's because they're drying. They are so drying. Not all of them are. Like Yuma Beauty one that I just showed, that one is not drying whatsoever, but these 2 are so drying, especially the Essence one. If you saw my full face of Essence makeup, you already know that like I was not feeling this. This was so drying, and I'm probably gonna get rid of this. Even though it's new, it just doesn't work and I'm not gonna use it. The shade is beautiful, but unfortunately it doesn't really go on my lips smoothly. And same with this NYX. I'm gonna try and sharpen the both of these. Maybe that will work. Down the chopping block. I'm not necessarily gonna get rid of them right now, but we'll see. And then lastly, this is a Milani lip liner in the shade Sugar Plum. This is an absolutely beautiful burgundy color, but this is so old, you guys. I think I purchased this back in like 2012. So I think it's time that I get rid of this. This is my first lip pencil I've ever purchased, and it's still really creamy, but I just never use it. Like I said, I purchased back in 2012. Look how much more, like I still have a good amount left. And I'm pretty sure this is just so old. I don't use it because I don't like this color on my lips. Why did I buy this? I don't know. I think it's time to let this one go. All right, now for the liquid lipsticks, I have the 2 NYX liquid suede, and they're both like a red color. This is a red, and then this is like a burgundy red. So this is Kitten Heels, and then this is shade Cherry Skies. I really like both of these. They're not too drying on the lips, and I do really like them, but they're old. They are old. Again, I purchased them a while ago. So I think I'm gonna just get rid of these and repurchase them, or purchase like another red shade. Maybe in the Milani formula, because I do love the Milani formula a lot. So I think these 2, it's time to let go of them. I do love them. I did get a lot of use out of them. Okay, the last thing I have in here are lipsticks, but I'm gonna start with the MAC lipstick. This is in Velvet Teddy, and I have a big one and then I have a baby one. Obviously I love these. Like this was my first like expensive purchase. Like look how much I've used this lipstick. I mean, I could definitely get like another year out of this. So these are staying, and this is going right in my purse. I forgot that I bought the mini one, so I actually really love these. And they're so nostalgic for me too. Something about makeup that is just so nostalgic. So I definitely want to keep these 2. All right, so I have 2 higher end lipsticks, and this is the Yuma Beauty, and this is the shade Angela. I think it's Angela. And this is just like a beautiful brown shade. I mean, the packaging is really dirty. It's not an old lipstick. Like I think I've had this for like, I think I'm coming up on a year. I'm pretty sure I bought it last Christmas for myself. So I definitely want to keep this. This is very creamy. Feels really nice on the lips. It feels like light. Feels like you're not wearing anything. And yeah, I personally really like this. And then I have a Bite Beauty lipstick, and this is in the shade Glace, and I actually really, oh, there's a hair on it. Oh, I actually really like this. Tad bit drying, but like just throw a gloss on over it. It works. I think I found this over the summer on sale, so definitely want to keep this. This is still pretty new, and it's such a beautiful color. If you haven't noticed, I love like my pinky peachy nudes, so surprise, surprise. I'm keeping this one. Now I have 2 e.l.f. lipsticks. This is the matte lip color, and this is in Praline, and then this is a lipstick in Blushing Brown. This one I absolutely love. Like this is like my go-to lipstick, and it's so creamy on the lips. This one, I love this one. I mean, I know you can't tell. I think this is like a second repurchase. I don't even think they make this color anymore, and I bought it when I was like in college, so that was back in like 2016 or something. So this is old, and unfortunately I think I am going to be getting rid of this one. I think it's starting to dry out. It doesn't really look good on my lips anymore, but I did really love this when I initially bought it, and I think that's why I purchased this one to replace this one, and they are pretty close in color. Next up I have 2 ColourPop lippy sticks, and this is in the shade Cookie, and then in the shade Love Life. So one is like a beautiful, this is like the perfect red for me. It looks gorgeous. And then this is just like a beautiful nude. It's almost a little bit too nude for me, but I do like to put it on top of like my dark brown lipsticks just to lighten them up. And I love both of this. Like, if there's one brand to buy lipsticks from, it would be ColourPop. Like, their lippy stick formulas are so good. And Milani's really good too. These last three lipsticks, this is the last three I have. This is the this is LA Girl matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Snuggle. Again, another beautiful nude pink color. And then I have LA Colors. This is a nude stick and then a matte lipstick. Both of these are from the Dollar Tree, and I personally do not like them. Like, the shades are they're just completely off. They just look off. They don't look good on me. So unfortunately, I'm going to be giving these away. And then this LA Girl matte lipstick, honestly, it's a little bit too matte. It's a little bit too drying on my lips. I'm not a fan, so this one is leaving my collection as well. So that is everything that I am decluttering today, as in lipsticks, all lip product. I personally find this fun. I enjoy doing it because then that means I get to get new stuff. Because, like, now I need to replace one of my dark red with a new dark red. Like, you know, I gotta replace it. But I suggest you go through your makeup, check what's expired, check what's working for you, what isn't working for you. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, please make sure you give this one a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date with all my latest uploads. And as always, before signing off, you guys, I would love to remind you that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. All right, guys, bye.